Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can create a permanent Discord invite link. To do that, first go to your Discord, then choose the server whose link you want to send. Right click on it and click on invite people. Here you can see on the bottom you can copy your invite link, but here this says this invite link will expire in 7 days. Click on edit invite link and here change this from 7 days to never and click on generate a new link and click on copy and close this. Now your permanent invite link is created and copied. Now you can paste it anywhere and send it to anyone and they can join from this link whenever they want. This will never expire, and this is how you can create a permanent invite link in your Discord. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.